I will keep this video very concise and to the point because I don't want you to procrastinate watching this video till the end too. Your procrastination majority of the time depends on this particular reason that you don't have that energy to deal with that situation or to do that particular task right now. And that task could feel very intimidating to us. We might feel that we are not ready right now and we wait for an ideal opportunity or an ideal time to come so that we can take on that task. But the reality is that day never comes and that task is still rotting in our to-do list. Because your brain has a good intention. Your brain is like, listen, I cannot take on this task right now or I cannot deal with this thing right now. So let's do that later. But that later never comes. So we have to discipline our mind and trick it in a way that we can get what we need to do consistently. The tip which I'm going to share with you today is going to help you to not procrastinate as much as you do right now. I am a perfectionist and I want things to be done perfectly when I have the full energy, or else I tend to not do things because of my good intention. I want it to be done when I have the maximum potential and the maximum capacity to do it. So we have to discipline our mind and not rely solely on motivation and energy, but we need to rely on a system. We need to create a system which will help us to get where we want to reach, which we need to follow every single day, no matter what our energy status is, or no matter how less our motivation is. We tend to emphasize a lot on good days and bad days. We feel that if the day is not productive, we feel like a loser. Reality of life is we all are gonna have bad days. But the concept of average helps us here. The concept of average says that it doesn't matter if you have one bad day or two bad days in a week. What matters is how you cope up and recover these bad days in the remaining days of your week. Let's say if you only be 30% productive for an entire month, you'll probably leverage a lot more than being 70% productive for only a week, than eventually running out of gas and not having the energy or motivation to do anything after a particular week. And this is a system which we all should be aiming for no matter what. We need to measure our progress over a long period of time, and we need to break that task into very small, actionable and doable steps which you can do it consistently without feeling intimidated. If you're not intimidated or overwhelmed by any task, you are very less likely to procrastinate it. The hardest part of anything, if you want to work out or if you want to complete a book or if you want to start a business, if you want to finish your studies, any personal goal or any professional goal, majority of the people, they struggle with the first step. Showing up takes a lot more efforts. If you show up, getting yourself to do something is what we all should be aiming for. And you can do this by two simple hacks which will trick your brain into doing this task. First tip is the 5-minute rule. Tell your brain that this task I'm only going to do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Anything which you feel less intimidating, you can go with it. Eventually what happens is once you just showed up, once you are in the zone, once you just get started, the process becomes a lot more easier. The goal here is to trick your brain into taking that first step and to be as less intimidated as possible, so that it's doable for you and it's doable for you consistently. You should feel like you can still accomplish that particular task no matter how much low on energy and motivation you feel. Sometimes even if I don't feel like reading something, no matter how interesting it is, I feel that I'm very tired to do this attention demanding work. I have this habit of telling my brain that I have to only read one page, but when I actually open the book, when I take the highlighter, when I sit on my chair and when I read that one single page, surprisingly, I always read up ending 25, 30, 40, 50 pages sometimes. This simple trick has helped me to read consistently for the past 2 years. And you can apply this to anything you want to do. It could be broken down into actionable steps. All you need to do is trick yourself to show up. The activity and the task, the work will eventually follow. You have my word for this, guys. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comment section below. We need to change the thought that only if we do something perfectly, we have done the work. That's not how it works, guys. The best time to do something is now, and the best work is the work which you do consistently. I hope you find value from this video, guys. Make sure that you are applying what you are learning from this video into actionable steps so that you can notice a difference in your life. If you have any suggestion regarding the content, please let me know in the comment section below. I would be glad to see some input from your end too, so that I know what you want. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, guys. Signing off.